thought no. You surely be me. I thought I'd be without wanting to be. I thought of myself as a mighty big man, but I came along without you holding my hand. Lord, I came along without you holding my hand. Mountains too high and the valleys too wide, and down my knees, that's where I've learned to stand. And I came along without you holding my hand. It's a morning when I finally seen bloodshot in my eyes, heart tore all to pieces. Well, I knew I had to leave. I knew I needed Jesus, 'cause I couldn't spend one more night sleeping with them demons. So I packed up that white Ford, headed north toward Highway 9. There were raindrops on my windshield, teardrops in my eyes. Didn't know which way to go, didn't even know how to pray. And even if I did, I didn't know what words to say. But you love me, even then you still love me. Even when I didn't love myself. I couldn't love myself. When I finally made it home, realized what I'd done. Some folks call me crazy, others said I got on drugs. And every friend I thought I had was nowhere to be found. And this